Namaskar, dear students. Today we will study about sexual reproduction in plants. So, first of all, let us see what are the important characteristics of sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, two parents, male and female, are required. It is slow mode of multiplication. New individual produce show variation. Formation of fertilization, it means in this type of reproduction fertilization takes place. Now, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Reproductive part of a plant is flower, male reproductive part is stamen, and female reproductive part is pistil. Pistil is also known as carpel. Male gamete, pollen grains, female gamete, egg. Now see the diagram. Male reproductive part is stamen. Stamen is divided into two main parts, anther, filament. Anther के ऊपर the yellowish male gamete है which is known as pollen grain. Now female reproductive part which is divided into three main parts, stigma, style, ovary. ओवरी के अंदर ओव्यूल है और ओव्यूल में फीमेल गैमेट एग प्रेजेंट है. सो मेल गैमेट pollen grains, female gamete egg. Flowering plants are generally angiosperm. They bear the reproductive parts within the flower and their seeds are enclosed in a fruit. Now let us see what are bisexual flowers and what are unisexual flowers. Bisexual flowers. Bisexual flower में एक ही फ्लावर में मेल पार्ट और फीमेल पार्ट दोनों प्रेजेंट है. बोथ मेल एंड फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट्स in the same flower, for example hibiscus, mustard. Unisexual flower, मेल पार्ट अलग है और फीमेल पार्ट अलग है. इट मीन्स इधर मेल एंड फीमेल reproductive parts in flower, for example papaya, watermelon, etc. A flower is comprises of four main parts: sepal, petal, stamens, male part, pistil, female part. Now let us see the diagram. This diagram is known as longitudinal section of flower. Stamen, male part, anther, filament, pistil, female part, stigma, style, ovary, petal, sepal. अब वन बाई वन इन पार्ट्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Sepal. These are leaf-like structures present as the outermost circle. They provide protection to the bud in the initial stages. All the sepals taken together are called calyx. It means sepals are also known as calyx. Petal. These are usually bright colored. They protect the reproductive parts which lie inside the flower. Their function is to attract insects for pollination. All the sepals taken together are called corolla. Another name of petal, corolla. Male part, anther and filament, which is also known as stamen. It is the male reproductive part of the flower. A single flower may have number of stamens in it. It comprises of two main parts, anther. It is the swollen tip of stamen. Anther is a bilobed structure containing two pollen sacs which produce pollen grains that are yellowish in color. It means pollen grains anther पे produce formation anther पे होता है जो male gamete है. Filament, it is the stalk of stamen that supports anther. Filament. Now, female part pistil. which is also known as carpel. It is the female reproductive part which is present in the center of the flower. Center of the flower. Stigma. It is the terminal part of carpel which may be sticky and helps in receiving the pollen grains during pollination. Stigma. Then style. It is the middle elongated part of carpel which helps in the attachment of stigma to the ovary. Ovary. It is the swollen bottom part of carpel which contains ovules having an egg cell, that is female gamete. So this is all about longitudinal section of flower. The male germ cell must fuse with the female germ cell to initiate the process of reproduction in plants. For this, it is necessary to perform pollination. Now let us see what is pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther of the stamen to the stigma of a flower is termed as pollination. The pollen grains can be transferred by various agents like wind, water, insects and animals. There are two different types of pollination, सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन एंड क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन में एक ही फ्लावर के मेल और फीमेल पार्ट में पॉलिनेशन होगा. क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन में दो डिफरेंट प्लांट्स हैं, एक का मेल पार्ट दूसरे के फीमेल पार्ट के साथ पॉलिनेशन हो कर सकता है, पॉलिनेशन करेगा. So pollination can be of two types: self-pollination, in which the pollen from the stamen of a flower is transferred to the stigma of the same flower. Cross-pollination, in which the pollen from the stamen of a flower is transferred to the stigma of different flower. After pollination, there will be process of fertilization that we will study in next video. Thank you.